Let's cut into this little beezy and see what we got going here.
It smells fabulous.
Oh yeah, baby. Look at that.
Thanksgiving is, what, a week away? Not even a week away? 4 days?
Yeah, Thursday.
Thursday. So this is like a little trial run. We got a small turkey from the store. I think it's 13.5 pounds. And I wanted to try something different, see if it works out, and maybe we go with that later. And if it
For
doesn't work
Christmas
out,
Eve.
yeah, if it doesn't work out, oh well. We didn't actually pay all that much for this. We're gonna spatchcock it. We're gonna smoke it, just like we did that spatchcock chicken the other day. Now, if it turns out anywhere near what it did,
It's gonna be bomb.
it's gonna be a real nice surprise.
Thanksgiving came early.